everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. This is week 2 of the Christmas holiday mix being hosted by Bree of Bree's Project Book. And Bree has asked Wani of Wani's House, Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner, and myself, Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, to co-host this 4-week collaboration. Now last week I co-hosted the collab and we talked about 3 tips to make your home festive for the holidays. Now this week is Kenya's turn and we're crafting for the holidays. We are to create a project or a DIY, excuse me, for the holidays. And guys, I'm gonna give you 2 today. Alright, I am gonna concentrate on some artwork. Now I did some artwork for the fall over my fall bar cart, and quite a few of you asked how did I do it. So I'm going to share with you that, and then I'm going to share with you another easy project. But before we jump into this video, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for some beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning Diva family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I consider myself blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. And let me also say, please, after you view this video, to head over to Bree's, Wani's, and Kenya's channel to see what they have to offer you. You will gain so much inspiration from these 3 beautiful ladies. There will be a playlist, the playlist from last week as well as this week, listed in my description box down below. So for my first project, these are the items that I will use. I have some cardstock poster boards, 2 frames that was gifted to me by Denise Harlan. I have a wooden skewer, and I have 4 paint colors, red, gold, silver, and some white. The silver, gold, and red are metallic colors that I love to use. And that is basically what you will need for this project. I put a protective board down to protect my countertops because this is messy, and I'm going to do 2 of them because I have 2 frames. So what you do, shake your paint real well and just blot some on in different spots. Alright, so I'm going to do the gold in 3 spots. Alright, I'm going to concentrate on 1 at a time here. And same with the red. Same with the silver. I don't have that much white, so I'm going to use this sparingly. and some white. My mom used to do this on my nails. She used to do my nails. And what you do, you can take either side. I'm going to take the pointy side of the skewer, excuse me, and I'm just going to start meshing this together like so. Alright, and you're just going to stretch that paint out. Just like that. Now I may have to go put in some more, which is fine. And I have a mat on these frames, so I don't have to take it all the way to the edge. All right. And yes, it looks a little messy, but trust me, when it is completed, it is beautiful. All right. I've added more paint. I'm just working it in. Not gonna put too much red, because red is really dominating this this art piece. You just have to play around until you can get the look that you want. All right. You just work the paint around and kind of blend it with the other areas that you have. Alright. Again, yes, it does look a little messy, but trust me, when you finish and it dries, it looks amazing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get these done, set them aside, and work on the other project, and then once they dry, I will put them in the frame and let you see how they look. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, I thought I would bring you back on and let you see that I have completed them. Yes, it looks a little messy, but trust me, when they are completely dry and put in the frame, they will look amazing. Alright, so I'm going to get this all cleaned up and I'm going to share with you the next project. So the next artwork and the last DIY project that I will be working on is taking some gift bags and framing them and making them look like $1 million. I have these frames that I picked up from Walmart. These ran, I think, $16 and some change a piece, and I kind of went a little expensive on them because I know I'm going to be using these each and every year. Now these gift bags, they were gifted to me last year by one of my beautiful YouTube sisters, Karen Deneen. She gave me this one, as well as this one. And I absolutely love them both. This one here reminds me of someone looks just like him, one of my dad's dear friends. So yeah, I thought that was cute and kind of reminded me of him. And then I ordered these mats, of course in my color red, and the insert is gold. I ordered these off of Amazon last year and thought they were very fitting for this project. Alright. So I'm going to cut these bags down to size. You can see how that's going to look amazing. I have some tape here. So I am going to get to work cutting them down and putting them in my frames. I still have another side to work with if I wanted to. So there's one. I was trying to use my cutting board to make it easier, but I don't know if it's easier. Take this mat, place my picture over it, take a peek and see how I like it placed on here, flip it back over and tape it down. Just as easy as that. Love that. See how that looks? Amazing. I've been super excited about doing this project. Super excited. So let me get it in the frame because I got to get these prongs up, hurting my fingers here, and I'll show you the finished product. Alright guys, are you ready to see how amazing these pictures look? Okay, I'm going to scoot one of them over. I'm going to flip this one over first, alright? How beautiful is that? How beautiful. Looks so, so pretty. And I'm loving that red mat. And here's the other one. So, so pretty. So pretty, so pretty. So I'm gonna go put these in place and let you see how I have these displayed in my home. So I've placed my artwork in the frame, my marble artwork, and this is how it looks. Even though I use red, white, silver, and gold Christmas colors, this artwork can stay out after Christmas. I love the marbling on this artwork. I will share with you these pieces in place. Now these DIYs were super easy. One, yeah, a little messy, but hey, being messy is sometimes so much fun, right? And then the other DIY, so easy to do. Anyone could do it, and it gives you so much bang for your buck. I hope you've gained so much inspiration. Let me know if you're going to try these items, one or both, in your home. Now tune in next Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It will be Wani's turn, all right? And I'll have the schedule linked in my description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would love for you to become a part of this family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed and beautiful day. Be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon.